All right, let's talk XRP. It's at a huge crossroads. We're going to break down what's happening.
Right now, XRP's trading around $2.30, but there's way more to that number. Get this, it's actually dropped about 14% just in the last week alone. Ouch.
That drop puts XRP in a really tight spot. So what on earth is going to happen next?
Okay, first up, let's look at what's happening right now. You can think of it as a cool down period.
Analysts are seeing a pretty bearish signal pop up on the charts, something called a death cross.
Basically, it's when short-term momentum dips below the long-term trend, and that's not a great sign.
But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. There's this massive push and pull going on. You've got these headwinds, right? But you've also got some pretty powerful tailwinds pushing back.
We're talking about the new Ripple Prime platform, plus, hopes for a spot ETF. Big stuff.
So yeah, in the short term, it's a real crossroads. Is it going to bounce back or fall further? Okay, the bull case, if it stays above that $2 support, we could see a nice rebound.
But the bear case? If that support line breaks, the price could drop pretty hard.
All right, let's zoom out. What does this all mean for the long-term forecast? Over the next year, maybe 18 months, XRP could go down two very different paths. And this chart shows it perfectly. It all comes down to key drivers, like institutional growth. Okay, so with all that in mind, what are the actual numbers you need to be watching? First up is critical support. This is the line the bulls absolutely have to defend. So keep a really close eye on that $2 to $2.20 price range. And on the flip side, we've got major resistance. You can just think of it as the ceiling. That key resistance level is sitting right at $3.60, a huge level.
And it's not just about the price. You gotta watch for news, market sentiment, all that stuff.
So to sum it all up, XRP is in this really delicate spot. It's a total balancing act. The big question is, can those long-term positives beat the short-term weakness? What happens next is the million-dollar question.